Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add fund code into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add fund code, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application, you just simply have to tap into this icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that icon and select your profile from this section. Now after selecting your profile, you will get to see this page of security. You just simply have to tap to security, and after going in here, you just simply have to scroll down until you see this option of fund code. Just simply tap to fund code option and you will get this option to add your fund code at very top, which should be between 8 to 32 characters, including at least one or two following areas such as uppercase letters and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Just simply enter those letters and numbers in order to make your fund code. Simply enter the fund code and repeat the same fund code into the second box. Then tap to submit and you will get a verification code into your phone number and email address, and you have to enter that code. Then your fund code will be saved. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.